I don't think it's officially summer yet, but it's definitely grilling season. Today, I'm gonna sous vide a steak with my Anvil Foundry brew system. Let's get it going. Aiming for a rare steak, so I've set my Anvil Foundry brew system to 115 degrees Fahrenheit or about 46 degrees Celsius. Ultimately, it's up to you to choose the perfect cooking temperature for your steaks, but remember that this system will overshoot the target temperature by 2 or 3 degrees periodically during the cook time. I've got about 3 gallons in the kettle, and I'll be using this Blickman Riptide pump to recirculate the water and evenly distribute the heat. And let's also get that grain basket in there. For steak, I'm going with this 8-ounce filet from Kansas City Steaks, which came vacuum sealed. You can also just pop a steak in a plastic bag and seal it up, no problem. Alright, in goes the steak, and I'll start a 1-hour timer. It's been about an hour, and it's time to fire up the grill. While the pan heats up, I'm patting the steak dry and adding my seasoning. I'm going with a nice layer of salt and some Montreal steak seasoning. Now that the pan is super hot and the butter has browned, it's time to sear. This should only take about 90 seconds, and it's important to hit every piece of the meat. And just like that, I'm ready to taste. If you like this video, let me know in the comments and consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you again soon.